Oh, so now you gave yourself up. You've been here the whole time? Oh.
Yo, bro. Yo, you're never gonna find Silky. Give up, bro.
He's sleeping. I hear him snoring.
Oh my god. Yo, no, he's not gonna wake up. No, don't wake him up. Yo, I knew it. He's sleeping. Oh my god. He fell asleep. Hey, oh god.
He actually was not. His phone was in his hand. He woke up. You
Bot.
You lost. You.
You. Case on.
Hey man, listen man, it takes a lot to be a winner. We won last year and we won again this year. I'm the highest. Like and subscribe if you're new.